Alright guys, today we are just riding in Woodlake, as you can see. So we're just riding in Woodlake. It's just going to be a video at Woodlake. Going a mile away. So this video will be long or it could be short. Right now I'm riding my bike and come on Emily, go, go, go! I got my sister and my mom for this episode today. We do these bike rides every day out in Woodlake. And yeah, we're just doing this bike ride and in public. And oh my god. We've got one pack. This is the pond. We're at the pond right now, and as you can see above me was just a really beautiful tree. And yeah, you guessed it, we're out in wilderness. Yeah, there's a trail we follow, and we're going a mile away. I don't know. Oh, here comes the steps. We gotta get off our bikes for these. Alright. Hang on, guys. We gotta get off the bikes for these steps. As you can see, you're gonna get bumpy. Yeah, that's the steps. My bike kind of bounced off the steps. And there's a Tyler. Yeah, let's get going. I love violence. We'll do it. I'm going out to the road. Sorry if this video is gonna be two parts. It might be. We already did a little bit of the mile. So you're like, that is not a mile, Tyler. What is up with you? It's not actually, I'm not actually going for the mile on camera. That would take up too much space. So, yeah, as you guessed it, we're at the road already. And here's where the mile starts. You get to the road. You done with the trails? We're going to the road right now. Okay guys, sorry if you might only see my face. I gotta keep my eyes on the road. Just like in that other video, how like it said keep your eyes on the road and how to bike ride with like in that video how to bike ride with no training wheels. Yeah, so yeah, we're going up to the street and yeah, so yeah, and very nice outside. I think we're gonna be doing like every day maybe one of these videos that's like a catch-up talk to you, like talking to you when we're riding to Woodlake, talking to you about like what we're gonna post. It's a really nice quiet place to talk about that. So I just thought maybe we'll do that while on our bike rides. Since I got this phone case, I've been thinking, well, do videos on your bike. In a minute, we're gonna end the video, and then there's gonna be a part 2, okay, you guys? Yep, there's gonna be a part 2 to this because it's too long. This camera does not have enough storage, apparently, but I'll make it have enough. I'll make it be fast enough. Go faster! I shall go faster! I shall go we can get as much as in the video as we can. Yeah, so I'm thinking. What? So yeah, I'm thinking we're gonna do So guys, I'm thinking that I think we're gonna need part 2, and we're gonna stop right now. So we're gonna have to start right now. We're gonna have to stop right now for the part 2 next time. See you next time. And as always, half Beyblade King out, I guess. Beyblade out. Whatever.